Welcome back, fellow feline enthusiasts, to our captivating exploration into the world of our furry companions. Cats, with their mysterious charm, never cease to amaze us with their quirky behaviors. In today's video, we're delving into the 25 strangest cat behaviors, shedding light on the reasons behind each fascinating action. So, without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Kneading. Our first behavior is kneading, that rhythmic pawing and pressing against soft surfaces. It's a behavior cats develop from kittenhood when they knead their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. This comforting act indicates their contentment and relaxation. 2. Headbutting. Number 2, the headbutt, known as bunting. Cats rub their heads against you to mark you with their scent, a way of showing affection and claiming ownership, reinforcing the bond between cat and owner. 3. Zoomies. Who hasn't witnessed the hilarious zoomies? These sudden bursts of energy result from pent-up enthusiasm and predatory instincts. Cats are hunters at heart, and this behavior mimics the thrill of a hunt. 4. Chirping. Ever heard your cat chirp? It's a mixture of curiosity and frustration, often observed when a feline watches birds or other prey animals from a distance. It's their way of expressing their desire to hunt. 5. Cat yoga. Cat yoga is when your kitty strikes strange positions like the loaf or the belly up. These stances conserve body heat and indicate their trust in their surroundings, as these positions make them vulnerable. 6. Pawing at water. Behold, pawing at water, to check for its depth and to ensure it's safe to drink. Our domestic pals retained this behavior. 7. Knocking things over. Knocking things over isn't always about mischief. Cats have a natural curiosity and enjoy testing their environment. If they knock something over, it's their way of exploring objects and seeing how they react. 8. Slow blinking. A slow blink is the ultimate sign of trust and affection. When your cat gives you a slow blink, they're saying, "I love you" in their own unique language. Try slow blinking back. It's a feline "I love you" exchange. 9. Bringing gifts. Ah, the infamous gifts. When your cat brings you a present, like a toy or even a not-so-welcome critter, it's their way of nurturing you, just like they would their kittens. It's a sign of love. 10. Tail twitching. Let's talk tail twitching. Cats use their tails to communicate their mood. A flicking tail can mean irritation, while a puffed-up tail signifies fear or aggression. Understanding tail language is key to deciphering your cat's emotions. 11. Paper obsession. Why are cats obsessed with paper? The crinkling sound and the texture fascinate them, reminding them of their prey rustling in the wild. Plus, it's great for sharpening those claws. 12. Sunbeam Seekers. Sunbeam Seekers. Cats are known for their love of basking in the sun. It's not just about warmth. The UV rays in sunlight are great for their coat health and can elevate their mood. 13. Purring. Purring is the ultimate sign of contentment, but it's also a form of self-healing. The frequency of purring vibrations promotes bone and tissue healing, making it not only soothing but also therapeutic. 14. Hiding in small spaces. Ever wonder why cats love hiding in small spaces? In the wild, this behavior kept them safe from predators. Today, it's an instinctual retreat when they need a quiet, secure environment. 15. Meowing at midnight. Midnight meowing can be puzzling, but it's their way of getting your attention. Cats are naturally more active at dawn and dusk, so these nighttime meows might be their way of inviting you to join in their playtime. 16. Chewing non-food items. Chewing non-food items, known as pica, might seem odd, but it's often a sign of boredom, anxiety, or dietary deficiencies. Providing appropriate chew toys can help alleviate this behavior. 17. Whisker stress. Whisker stress is real. When a cat's whiskers brush against objects, it can be overwhelming and stressful. That's why they prefer wide bowls and open spaces to avoid whisker fatigue. 18. Sleeping in weird places. Sleeping in weird places is another quirky habit. Cats are creatures of comfort, so when they choose unconventional spots, it might be because they feel safe there or are trying to cool down. 19. Catnip craziness. Catnip craziness. About 50–75% of cats react to catnip thanks to a compound called nepentolactone. This plant-induced euphoria is harmless and usually lasts around 10–15 minutes. 20. Scratching everything. Scratching everything is cats' way of marking territory, maintaining their claws and stretching. Providing scratching posts and pads helps redirect this behavior away from your furniture. 21. High perch. Preference. Why do cats love heights? In the wild, being up high gave them a vantage point to spot prey and predators. Today, they still seek out high perches for a sense of security and a good view. 22. Licking and grooming. Licking and grooming is essential for a cat's hygiene, but excessive grooming can indicate stress or discomfort. It's their way of self-soothing, so keep an eye out for any changes in grooming habits. 23. Sudden bolt and run. Sudden bolt and run. When your cat suddenly dashes around the house like they're on a racetrack, it's a natural way to release excess energy. These bursts of speed mimic hunting behavior, keeping their predatory instincts sharp. 24. Staring into space. Ever caught your cat staring into space? Cats have incredible senses, and they can pick up on sounds or movements that escape our notice. So when they're entranced by seemingly nothing, they're probably tracking some hidden activity. 25. Tail twitching while watching birds. Last but not least, tail twitching while watching birds. When your cat spots birds or other prey animals outside, their tail may twitch due to their excitement and anticipation of the hunt. It's like they're mentally plotting their strategy. And there you have it. We've peeled back the layers of these 25 captivating and strange cat behaviors. Each one is a window into our furry friends' unique personalities and instincts. Understanding these quirks can deepen your bond and make your feline-human relationship even more rewarding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, make sure to watch our other uploaded videos.